Here I have Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to how to enable image stabilization in camera on this device. So firstly you open camera, then you go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you have anti-shake. So like this feature will prevent your pictures to be blurred when your hands are shaking, which is basically just like an image stabilization. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.